In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Music Notes feature not showing. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So the first thing we want to do is go open our Instagram application, and now we want to go to messages. And as you can see here, there's a new feature by Instagram that you can add notes. It's the plus icon on your picture. So that's basically your note. So when you tap on it, you can add a note here or a simple and a short message or just a note to show your friends. But now there is a feature that you can share here what music you are playing. But in my case, it doesn't show. So maybe the problem is that our Instagram application is not up to date. So what we want to do is go to Play Store, or if you're an iOS user, you want to go to App Store and search on Instagram. And make sure that Instagram is updated. But as you can see that my Instagram application is already updated, but I still can't see the feature where I can share my music. This is maybe because my device is still not compatible with that feature, and we can't do anything about it and just wait for Instagram to fix this problem. So that's about it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.